If you want to delete your Snapchat account permanently, follow these steps to ensure your account is removed successfully. Step 1. Open Snapchat. Launch the Snapchat app on your mobile device and log into your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Access settings. Tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen, then tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to access the settings menu. Step 3. Navigate to Account Actions. Scroll down to the Account Actions section within the settings menu. Here, you will find options related to your account. Step 4. Select Delete Account. Tap on the Delete Account option. This will direct you to a web page where you will need to enter your account credentials to confirm the deletion. Step 5. Confirm deletion. Follow the prompts on the web page to confirm that you want to delete your account. Once confirmed, your account will be deactivated for 30 days, after which it will be permanently deleted. Once you have completed these steps, your Snapchat account will be on its way to being permanently deleted. Remember that after the 30-day deactivation period, all your data will be lost and cannot be recovered.